So I found this quiz online and it asks, what is your sex personality? Well, we're about to find out. Coming up. What's going on, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful tips and strategy videos to improve your self-care, as well as fun quizzes just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell because I would appreciate it. Alright, so we gotta pull out the peanuts for this one. So, what is your sex personality? Are you a good listener? Well, clearly I can't read English. How good a listener are you? Let's see, I'm very detailed, reasonably good, average. I space out sometimes. I do space out sometimes. I prefer my partner to be kinkier than me, tamer than me, about the same, or no preference. About the same. What is the wildest place? Unable to save your response, please try again later. What is the weirdest place you've had sex? In a car, in a hotel, in a public place, in a room with other people, in a club? Neither, because I'm a virgin. I've seen someone like literally penetrate a girl in a club before, like, and they were being discreet, but I saw it, so I guess that counts, right? Club. Which one is more important to you? Connection, chemistry, or both are equally important? The chemistry definitely is important. The connection though, I mean, to have that, the chemistry with one person, I mean, I guess, yeah, chemistry, like fucking with each other, like, bye bitch. I'm joking. Which would you rather roleplay? Strangers, student and teacher, co-workers, or other? Other. By far. By far. Other. What appeals to you the most? Bondage, spanking, candles, and music. Bondage is interesting. Spanking is interesting. Candles and music? That's vanilla type shit. I'm gonna spank the shit out of somebody. You have a threesome. Is the third person your gender? Yes, no, don't mind. Say no. 2-on-1s. How many people have you slept with? I'm a virgin. Less than 3. Oh, is that a heart? I'll pick the heart. What is your view on sex toys? Love them, don't mind them, not for me. I don't mind them. Especially like if she has some, like, you know, I use it on her. Why not? Love them. What is your view on swinging? I think it's great. Neither like or dislike. Don't like it. I think it's great. How often do you have sex a week? 1 to 2 times, 3 to 5 times, 5 to 7 times, 7+ times. Okay, so I want to know who the hell is having sex literally more than 7 times a week. Contact me. Less than 1 to 2 times because I am a virgin. So what is your sex personality? I'm a freak. It's not just sex for you, it's an addiction. Your desires and cravings will never quite be satisfied, and you might not even find yourself in trouble. Connection doesn't matter. You're a creature of lust. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna link up these quizzes in the description. Write down your own answers that you have received in the comments. So yeah, that's basically it. That was it. Goodbye. I feel so naked without my watch. Like this person. Oh, it's recording already. Great. Because I would appreciate it. Oh shit. Do you feel comfortable discussing sex with your partner? Yes, of course. Otherwise this channel wouldn't exist. Why? Because you're my partner.